The Fang15 is a 15-inch, 3.5-gallon micro scrubber. What makes the Fang kind of unique is its size. Micro scrubbers have become more and more popular today because they enable us to get into areas where we conventionally were unable to get. They also are very key to replacing mops and buckets. Let me show you some of the features of the Fang. A 3.5-gallon solution tank, which is filled right here in the front of the machine. The solution will feed through the center here of the brush housing. The brush is going to give you approximately 45 pounds of pad pressure, so it's going to be aggressive enough to clean some of those tough areas. As the brush is spinning and is emulsifying the soils, we have a squeegee located in the back of the unit right behind the brush that's going to recover all of the dirty soil from the floor. As it's recovered, it's going to be dispensed into a 3.5-gallon recovery tank. When this recovery tank is full, it's very easy to empty. To remove the recovery tank, you take this tab, lift it over, and then it is a lift-out tank. You can empty it by unscrewing this plug and dump it into a sop sink and or toilet. The float shutoff in the recovery tank is designed to protect the vac motor. This will get caked with debris, so all you need to do is take a hose and or brush and make sure that this is free of any debris. To make sure that you have good suction on the floor, you want to make sure that the lid on the recovery tank is sealed properly. Squeegee maintenance, very important. Okay, to remove the squeegee, you loosen these two tabs and release it from the squeegee bracket. Squeegee maintenance is extremely important. You want to make sure that the squeegee is free of any type of debris. What I recommend you doing is, as you're running the machine, always carry with you a towel to help wipe the squeegee clean. As this squeegee blade starts to wear, all you have to do to have a new squeegee blade, or have a fresh edge I should say, is release these wing nuts, unscrew them, pull the squeegee out, flip it over. You have 4 edges to use. This would be our first edge. The second edge is on the back after we flip it. As we flip it over, we have another 2 edges on the top of the squeegee. The controls of the machine, your first button is going to be your main power. That just turns the power on. To activate the brush, you press the second button. The third button is going to be our vac motor. The fourth button is going to be our water. Nothing will happen with the machine until you engage the handlebars. Another unique design to the Fang15B is the collapsible handle. This is excellent for storage. It's also nice for different size operators. As you notice, I just lay it down, and then you have the ability to store the machine in a closet or in the back of a car. Okay, to operate the machine, the first thing we do is we turn it on, turn on our power, activate the brush, activate the vac motor, and then turn on the water. As I do this, I'm lowering the squeegee. To lower the squeegee, we just release the squeegee handle. Now we're ready for operation. The Fang comes standard with an onboard charger. It also comes with a pigtail to plug into the wall. You just take the pigtail, plug it into the machine, and then plug into any outlet.